second right.
Morning guys, June 18th, 2020. Today I got a call from a new customer, AC, maintenance or something. I'll have to go by and see what's going on with it. Go by, check the filters and the charge. See what's going on, see how things are running.
Turn right on slope.
I think he just wants an annual on it, I don't know. There's so much shit going on, it's crazy. Do what I can. Not here to save the planet. Oh, I'm not going to save the planet. I'm not going to do it. No. I'm not going to save the planet. I'm not here to save the planet. Oh, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Well, you know I'm here to save the planet. Yeah. I'm super plumber. The unit off inside. You can see this has been chewed. And she thought it was a weed. She pulled it out, so I gotta reattach it. I gotta cut it back and reattach it. Hello, can I help you?
You did some work for me at one of my other homes in New Bedford on Norman Street. And I would like to hire you at my new home to do some work. What I'm specifically looking for is, are you familiar at all with the process that the city of New Bedford makes one go through if they want to get a deduct meter? I have a sprinkling system, with the new home. And
yeah, you're not going to save no money. They're not going to save no money because they put you on a different rate. You're not going to save any money.
So you don't think it's worth it because
no, because they put you on a different.
We took over the house last year, at the end, and one of the months our bill was $500 just for water the stupid grass. I figured $80 for us, but another $400 just for the for the grass, for God's sake.
Yeah, I don't know about that. You might want to. I don't do a lot of the deduct meters. From what I understand,
right.
Is they go on a different rate when that happens. I know in Dartmouth they do that. I'm not sure about the New Bedford one.
Right.
But anyway, what else you got going on?
All right. The other two things I have is
looks clean.
Well, related with the sprinkler system. When I hot water heater, which is
that's 410A.
Relatively speaking brand new. We could smell a little gas.
Alright, she's got it on cooling. I'm going to set up my gauges. It's 410A. We'll try it. What's going on with it? I subcool right at 10. That's fine. That's what we want to be because it's got a TXV on it. It's a red unit. Charge is fine. Put a fence up because the dog was peeing on it, I guess. But that's fine. Nothing wrong there. We'll leave it right where it is. Charge is fine. 410A. Charge is fine on it. Connected that wire, that low voltage wire. Check the charge is fine. Coil's clean on the outside. Good to go.